Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and right now I'm gonna take you through the process of how I do my derma rolling. And without further ado, let's get started. First step that I do before I do my derma rolling is I always take a bath. I need to cleanse my body. I also need to cleanse my face, and I just took a bath and I just applied some hair products on my head because I don't want those hairs to get on my face, so I want to keep it that way. After cleansing, I just apply this product because it will usually help draw out the dirt that is stuck inside your pores so that you can have a clean slate whenever you do the derma rolling. So after putting the mask on your face for 15 minutes, you have to rinse it. Then after, you really need to apply your favorite moisturizer or whatever serums or creams that you usually use so that your skin will be moisturized and it can be prepared for the process. Right now, I'm gonna show you how I cleanse my face, and I'm gonna do the mask, and I'm gonna apply the creams on my face. So right now, I'm just gonna spray my face with water, and I just filled in some water in this container, and I made some homemade batch of soap that I personally formulated, and this is what I usually use to cleanse my face. Gonna spray, just lather, and I'm gonna cleanse my face. So I'm gonna be back, and I'm just gonna rinse this, and I'll be back to make the mask. So I just rinse my face, and while it's still wet, I'm just going to do the mask. What you need is just a bowl and whatever brush that you have, and usually you pair this product with apple cider vinegar, but right now I'm just gonna use water, and we're just gonna mix the two until it forms this consistency. And right now my face is already semi dry, so I'm just gonna dry it completely, then I'm gonna apply the mask on my face. It will still give you the feeling of like your face is moving, or what you call it, it's pulsating. It will still give you that sensation even though you just use water. But on some occasions, I also use I combine apple cider vinegar and this mask together, and it gets more intense. So, but right now, I just use water with clay. So my entire face is now covered with the mask, and after 15 minutes, or when it's almost dry, I will rinse it afterwards. After I rinse the mask off, I'm just gonna pat dry my face with tissue. But to moisturize, I usually use two products. So I always use this, and I also apply oil on my face. So I have three essential oils. This one is jojoba oil, and I also have rosehip oil and taman oil. With this one, I combine the rosehip oil together with the jojoba oil. So this actually is two oils in one container. So I mixed this two, and I place it in one container so that it saves time, so that whenever I wash my face, I dry it is the thing that I usually put on my face after. So by the way, this is a cologne container, and I just placed the two combined products in here so that I can make use of this container again, and it saves the environment, and you know, you recycle this much and just gonna slather it on the face. Now this is the part that we're all been waiting for, and here's my Derma roller. This one is the biggest and the longest. I think it's 2.5 or 2 mm. What? And I have a smaller one. So this one you can still see it dripping because it's soaked in alcohol. This is usually for the face. This one is actually for the body, but I also use this on the face. So this one is for the face, and it's 1.75 I think. And this one, this baby, I usually use this on my eye area, on the sides of the nose. I will use this now on the areas where I cannot see because it's covered with hair, but you know, to make all the places covered. By now you might be wondering the length of my facial hair, and I'm doing it on purpose because I'm going to shoot another video. This is the home quarantine makeover video. What? After almost a month or more than a month of us staying just indoors, might as well do nothing about our facial hair, our hair, or whatever. All we just do is eat, sleep, take a bath, poop, repeat. You know how this thing works, right? You usually roll this upwards, then sideways, then diagonally, and on the other side. So that's how it works. Let's pop this in. Let's do the eyes and the sides of the nose first. If you're going to ask me about the pain level, like 10 is the most painful and 0 is the least. It depends on the pain tolerance of the person, but as to me, I am fond of getting tattoos, but not that much. There are not too many, but I'm used to needles. For me, it's a 6. You know, just the tolerable pain that you usually get. The size of the needles of this tool is usually the size of those needles that the therapists use for acupuncture. Now I'm gonna tell you a story. Growing up, I always suffered from acne, and these scars are, you know, the evidence of it. I was able to discover the ingredients of these products that I've been using, and some of them, the ingredients are really not great. What? So I opted for more natural alternative. I also had many facial appointments. They did work, but for me it's very expensive. We're not rich, so I wasn't able to afford them. For me to get frequent appointments and get my, you know, get the stuff done. So what really worked on my face was really the natural ingredients, and they are just honey, turmeric or the curry powder, and sometimes I also use milk, or sometimes I also use coffee, banana, and all those stuffs. If you want to know more about those combinations or all of the natural ingredients that I usually use to make the mask on my face, just comment down below, let me know so that I can make a video about them. When we hit puberty, our there are hormonal changes in our body, and the oil glands will get really active and it will just erupt like a volcano. But there are so many studies out there that really thoroughly explains the process of acne. It's genetics, and sometimes people will use it against you because they don't know how it's like. Some people are blessed not to have so much acne on their faces, but some people really make fun of people who have them, and I'm one of them. Although I was not personally bullied um, of having acne, but it also affected my self-esteem, because way back when I was younger, I participated in many shows, like I do modeling and all that. So I whenever I do shows, I can remember that my face was like the most covered up, like piles and piles of layers of foundation and concealers were applied on my face. Growing up, you learn the hard way. That I usually get acne are my cheeks, temples, like almost every part of my face. Unfortunately, that's why derma rollers are invented to deal with them. Now, if your question is how long do you have to keep this tool, for me, I use it not longer than 15 months. Some would, or almost everyone would recommend that one more than a year, but I use it more than a year for 15 months because I don't really use them that often, and I always disinfect the tools properly. By the way, this is again a combination of jojoba oil and rosehip oil. Dab it on the areas that I did Derma roll, and I'm just gonna let it sit there overnight. So as I was talking about the video that I am planning to shoot, I'm gonna shave everything on almost 2 month home quarantine makeover. Like, this is what I'll do to look good. So I'm gonna share it to you, and I'm gonna shoot a video, so watch out for it. So hi, another update, and I'm gonna show you how my skin looks like after 9 hours post derma rolling. And I just washed my face, and right now I'm going to proceed with skincare. And all throughout the day I need to wear sunblock so that it can protect my skin from UV rays and the heat of the sun. Hi guys, an update video, and I'm on my third day post derma rolling, and this is how my skin looks like. As you can see, the redness is still there. I think my face will always be red. What derma roller does is it actually creates puncture on your skin, and while your skin is healing, it creates collagen. So that's the reason why it helps, level up all of the, bugs, peak, or whatever scars there are on that's lying on your faces. It will help lift the skin up, and will help, with the visibility of your acne scars. That's why derma roller is really a must-have if you are suffering from acne breakouts and acne scars. So it's really good that once in a while you treat your skin with care. If you're worried if your skin is red and it has all of the, needle marks or of the punctured areas visible, it will just go away within like 3 days. As to my personal experience, I always experience redness the next day. That's why I really needed to tame it down. I put aloe vera gel, or sometimes you can also use ice to really lessen. Sometimes it swells, so it's really good that you put something cooling on the skin. And on the second day, that's when I noticed that my skin gets really dry, and the skin starts to tighten up. And on the third day, the skin starts to peel off. Like, it's really not that dramatic kind of peeling, but it's just the micro peeling that you can see on your face that's starting to fall off on the areas that you treated with the derma roller. So after 5 days, I think that's the maximum. Your skin will be back to normal. And thank you so much. That's been about the video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please like the video first, and please click the subscribe button. So thank you so much for dropping by my YouTube channel, and have a nice day.